Hi guys and welcome! Today we're going to be looking at flowers that attract hummingbirds to your yard that are easy to grow. Stay tuned! If you want hummingbirds to come to your garden, bear in mind that there are certain types of flowers that attract them. These flowers are usually trumpet-shaped, so that allows them to stick their long beaks and tongues in to get the nectar. It doesn't really matter if the flowers are large or small, they will still come. These purple ones are called Salvia. Their crushed leaf almost has the same scent as peppermint. This pink one right here is called Petunia. They are a lot larger, as you can see. Now bear in mind that hummingbirds are tropical and they feed from late morning to early evening. So they're neither early birds or night owls. When going in for the nectar, they help to pollinate the flower so that we can get fruits and seeds. Such a grand design. And these flowers are actually the same ones from my previous container garden video. And they've come a long way. They're offering beauty for the garden, and they're also offering food. This one right here is the exception. It's called coneflower or Echinacea, and it's actually for the seed-loving birds. When the seeds form on the dome at the top, they go in and they eat those, so they come and they visit all the time. Of course, butterflies also love them. They like to perch on them and get their nectar. I did a little deadheading there too. I took some of the old blooms off so they would, fill out and look really nice. This one right here is Gladiolus. It grows from a bulb and it's very easy to get going in your garden. And I'll do a later video about planting bulbs. And as you can see, there's a new one coming up, so you guessed it, there's going to be more food coming. So that's great. Hummingbirds definitely love these. This white one is Rose of Sharon. Same family as the hibiscus, which is the more tropical version. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. There's also the purple one that's growing close by. And you can see some seed pods there that have formed. While your plants are coming up, bear in mind that you can get a hummingbird feeder and you can put 1 part sugar to 1 part water, and once you've mixed that out, you can pour it in, and that'll encourage them to come until your plants are blooming and they're ready. Remember that they are shy, so you'll have to watch them discreetly. And this one is one of their favorites right here. This one is called Trumpet Vine. Also very easy to grow. And I'll show you a hummingbird feeder in just a second so you can see what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching. And good luck with your hummingbirds.